Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Francisco and I work for Virtual CNS. And here we are about to show you a presentation or a video in regards to another application from Microsoft 365 called Yammer. So we're gonna go into this a little bit. I'm gonna open this up while I'll talk about what exactly is Yammer and what is it that we can expect out of this. As I said before, Microsoft 365 or Office 365 is actually an application that allows you to use different interfaces, different applications available to your business. So the idea is that you decide exactly what kind of advantage are you gonna, how to take advantage of these applications available to you under one pricing, and then obviously you decide how you're gonna implement this in your organization. Of course, not all the business can have every single application. It will make no sense if you have 20 applications being used at the same time. Some users, some employees can actually maybe they are unable to manage these many applications. Okay, but it really depends exactly on your business. So in this case, Yammer is really a social media private page, let's put it that way. This is like Facebook, okay? Just to make it simple on you. This is like Facebook, okay? It allows you, and it's a social media, it's a social interface available to you to socialize and to be able to communicate with your coworkers in a very easy way. Actually, it has a very similar concept as all the social media out there, like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, for example. You have a page available where you can scroll down. Obviously, right now, in our situation, we don't use it. But once you start putting content in it, it's going to come up the same way or a very similar design. As you can see here, you can actually follow some coworkers if you want to. You can actually find it, and then you can actually follow them as well, so that if they actually post something, it's going to be available in your main page. Okay. This actually has, as you guys can see here, a Yammer mobile app available. So when you are on the go, you can definitely access these informations. And also you can create groups and so forth. In this case, let's actually create a group, just test. We can delete that later. And then we're gonna do actually, again, you can do a public access or a private access. Let's actually do a private access in this case. So again, you have now kind of like a design, and then you can do a posting here, testing this app. What do you think? Okay, and you can post it. Again, the same way or very similar to other social media. You can actually have a question as well. You can do a poll. So let's say, for example, do you like the new app? And then you can do a yes or no questions and things like that. I'm sorry. Yes. Yes and no. And maybe. And again, all this information is going to be available to you, and statistics are going to be shown once everybody starts voting, as you guys can see here. So again, very similar. I don't think it's necessary for me to go over the details, because I think everybody out there has already seen something like this in action already. You can do announcements as well. You can do different information. You can send emails, notifications, or actually view the insights. Now, the question is not really how to use it. The question is how and why will you use it for your organization, okay? And again, the answer is really up to you. It depends on your business. You know, the good news, the really, really good news is that you have this available in your own organization. You can control this. You can manage this yourself. This is not Facebook, this is not Twitter, this is not Instagram, this is your own social platform, okay? So if you think about it, it has a great advantage. You can manage this yourself in a very easy way. They already give it to you, it's already out there. Now, do you use it or not? Obviously, it's up to you. That's what you have to think about. What advantages on how you can actually use this for a lot of employees to interact with each other. Now, I have seen this in action in other organizations, and I'm going to obviously name the specific, but in this case, what is this for? in reality is specifically when you have an organization that has maybe 200-300 different users, and it comes to a point where you need this type of interaction. Say, for example, depending on the business, maybe for socializing, maybe to stop a little bit about work. Maybe you want to have topics here that are kind of fun. Maybe you want to have fitness topics in regards to the employees. Maybe you want to have a space available for relaxing. Okay, so instead of going to Facebook, where maybe the content that they're going to see there is not necessarily beneficial or ideal for the business type of situation, or maybe an office, maybe you want to have this available to them for other purposes, for relaxing, maybe for thinking in other different topics out there. Okay, now at the same time, we have seen this used for more serious conversations. For example, you can still use this interface to talk about the work, talk about projects. For example, you can have a group and discuss projects. Maybe you have a large project and you want to have feedback back and forth, questions back and forth, and then you want to go over what happens. Maybe you want to have a poll. Maybe you want to have comments about the client experience. Maybe you want to have a comment about the development or of a product, for example, and then you can use this interface. All this information is going to be safe. It's going to be available. You can revisit. You can monitor how they interact with each other, and that's really the value of this. That's really the value for having some sort of social media interface available in your organization. Okay, so this is pretty much the basics of the application. Of course, once you start getting into this, there's going to be some advanced features available in every single application that I'm showing so far in Microsoft 365. So the main idea is to get you started. The main idea is to make you think how you can use it, how can I use it in my business, and to become very efficient and to improve your organization, to grow your organization in a very easy way, if we can put it like that. Okay, that's the main idea of this video, to kind of show you the introduction of each application available under Microsoft 365. Well, once again, this is the end of the video, and thank you for watching and spending a little bit of your time with us. If you have any questions, you can send us an email to info@virtualcns.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks again.